Hello Vlogmas day 22. Okay, so it's already the evening, so I'll let you watch the day back and yeah, have fun with us. I'll see you later.
Yeah, it's yellow.
Oh, she's got a Joey. Hi guys. Right, before I'm just gonna get ready because I know I spend a lot of my time in my pajamas. I don't think I'm alone in this situation. Lots of people like to spend most of winter in their pajamas. But I better get myself and be ready because we're going off to meet reindeers. So I'll just give you a little update that we have been keeping an eye on Bee's oxygen levels. We got an oximeter for her finger, which really helps. And it's okay at the moment. She's taking her inhaler as well, and that's keeping her wheezing at bay because we were a bit worried this morning again, but actually she's okay at the moment. We're really just making sure that she's definitely not having a bad attack. But basically, I think Stephen and Bee have got chest infections. We have a booking with the GP tomorrow morning down here, so we've had like an emergency GP thing that they're going to both go tomorrow morning and check out what's going on. So fingers crossed nothing will go wrong before then. Yeah, it's been a bit of a slow day. We were meant to go to Christmas markets in Winchester today, but it's rained all day long and no one's feeling that up for it, so I'm not complaining. I got to edit Vlogmas and spend the day in my pyjamas and have a delicious late breakfast of sausages and bacon and rolls. That was amazing. So yeah, right, okay, just gonna get on with getting dressed and then we're gonna go meet some reindeer. And this is thanks to you, Jenny Larking. One of my lovely YouTube watchers wrote to us yesterday saying you must go to Stewart's Garden Centre and see the reindeer, and we're doing exactly that because of you, so thank you very much. This is why I do Vlogmas, is because you guys give me the best tips. Well, one of the many reasons, you know, all the other reasons because it's just so lovely to. But this is a very good bonus to Vlogmas. So yeah, we're going to go and do that, and hope everyone stays okay. It's just terrifying. I mean, because we've just had these 2 hospital visits, like every time she's like remotely wheezy or coughing or whatever, I'm just terrified. But I'm with 2 doctors. Both Stephen's parents are a doctor and a nurse, former doctor and nurse, so I keep kind of like bringing her to them and being like, is this okay? And so that's keeping me at ease. But yeah, we will just be very cautious. All right, anyway, better get ready and go and see some reindeers. I will take you with me, of course.
Yeah, I know.
So it's become a bit of a Christmas tradition that we come to Stewart's, but Jenny, you have made us come again and I'm so happy. Look, I love this place. It's just a garden centre, but I'm so happy here. Look at the singing penguins.
Oh, that is lovely of them.
Quick, run after the girls!
Run after them, let's go and see the reindeer.
Somebody's a reindeer hunter. Oh, I can smell them. Absalom the caterpillar. How exciting is that? The caterpillar from Wonderland.
every Christmas card I write.
Downstairs and then we decided to sort of like do the whole thing again.
Be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white.
Time in a different house. Come on then, my dear.
What's the date today?
22. So you're looking for 2 2s. We're much higher up than that, B. We've only got 3 days left. Yeah, well done.
Do you want Mummy to read it?
So giggly today.
I have done, yeah, don't worry.
Okay, you ready? 22nd of December. Meow! I hear another surprise. Now you just have to use your eyes, because inside the new Hello Kitty book, it's time for you to have another look. For hiding in there is a similar friend, waiting for you to play pretend. Who's in there? Is it another Hello Kitty? Let's see it, darling. Let's see it. Yeah. And do you want to say happy 22nd
Quickly,
of
should we say?
December?
Happy 2 December of December.
Hooray!
And a happy new year. For the
Right, day 22 of the Advent calendar is... Yeah, go on, press it. Go on, you open it. Okay, you open it, What's in there, B? Oh, what's that? I think this is more dressmaker's chalk. Yeah, look. So it's more that does look like something else. Anyway, sorry, mind in the gutter. Yellow, B, it's yellow, my favourite colour, and it's dressmaker's chalk, and it's got a wheel with it, which is so good. I really can't get over what it looks like. Okay, sorry, I'm being very silly, and I need to grow up. Okay. Here is the beautiful Christmas decorations at the in-laws' house. Oh, hello. And here's Eva. I'm just showing the decorations. Ah. And there's the second Christmas tree in there. And this is such a lovely scene. I love it. Yeah. Okay, guys. Well, I'm going to love you and leave you and see you tomorrow. Take care. Night, night.